Hi all, Dan Bartlett here, coming to you from June Lake, California. Elevation about 2,400 meters, or about, maybe a little less than that, 7,700 feet, where the skies are generally pristine as they are tonight, but the moon's out. But what I'm really doing is showing you folks what I was using when I captured the image of Comet C 2017 T2 PanSTARRS as it entered into the field of beautiful galaxies, one including M106, which was pretty neat. Now I'm going to show you animated images in a moment, and you're going to find out when you look at them that they seem to flip back and forth, well, they're kind of giving you that strobe effect because the night was horrible. It was actually high clouds. We had rain earlier in the day and we had thunderheads, and it took forever to clear out, and it really never did. But in between the clouds, we had moments of fabulous seeing, in which case I put together the animation. And luckily for me, I was shooting with both these scopes. This Celestron Rowe Ackerman Schmidt Astrograph, the RASA 8, with a ZWO camera 294 MC Pro, and the one over there is a RASA 11. And the RASA 11 had a ZWO ASI 071 MC Pro, and I didn't have any problems actually with fog that night. So I've been having problems with it, the sensor fogging up. And there's the close-up, a little shaky, apologize. And there's the RASA 11. So luckily for me, I was watching both images, both scopes were taking the same image, but this one was rotated almost 45 degrees from that one. But this one is a wide field. So with that wide field rotated and the small one rotated otherwise, I could fit the smaller one in the bigger field and not lose much data. And all in all, I think, as you can see, the animated images as well as the final product, I think you could probably agree it came out okay, despite the fact that it was a difficult night.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me, standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Evening all. We are in the process of capturing what else? Comet 2017 T2. I've got the lights off, the moths are attacking me, but you know, oh well. It's also a difficult cloudy night. We are going for PanSTARRS as it's in the same field as M106 and some other galaxies. So let's take a peek-sees. That's 50%. That's not full frame. That's half of it. The star shapes are good. We've got this oblong nucleus. Let's get a little closer. I know you want to look at the galaxies, me too, but the comet is just passing through. And let's get a little bit stretchier. Wow. Okay, so you can see the anti-tail, which is mostly dust, being left behind in the orbit as the comet is moving this way. And here's the nucleus, and it is not circular. It is elongated down to the bottom of the frame. Oh, let's take a look at the galaxies. My gosh, that's a beaut. M106, once again discovered by Pierre Bechêne. I'll try to say a little French for you. And M106 was not actually even added to the Messier catalog until 1947. Take a look at this very strange galaxy. It's known for its X-ray sources in the center, where there's probably a supermassive black hole eating stuff that's falling into it. Notice the spiral arms. We do have blue knots of bright stars that are only a few million years old, if not 100 billion years or so, and they won't last long because they're supermassive. Type O, Type B stars. But look at that galaxy. You can see the faint outer reaches. A satellite galaxy event, M106, a faint one right here. There's a ton of little galaxies around here. Little faint smudge there. Just looking all over. M106 is indeed, well, about 22 to 25 million light years away. That's not too bad. Remember, M81, M82 is about 12 million light years away. So we're quite a bit further, maybe a member of the Ursa Major group, which does include M109. And this edge on right here is NGC 4217. It's another SB type galaxy, not a spiral barred galaxy, but there's SA, SB, and SC. But this is edge on. Take a look at the details in there. That's 100%. There's some neat little details on that edge on dust lane right here. Look at this. NGC 244242. How can I mess that up? And it's 18 million light years away, and it's kind of face-on galaxy. Let's go back to the full frame. We're taking 180-second exposures. We're once again using the scope, RASA 11, and the ZWO 071. I wanted to get as big a frame as possible to catch them all in here. Let's take a look at one more time. The last frame coming in of Sequence Generator Pro. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see if it's dark or lighter. Oh, and we have a nice little look at that satellite trail going right through it. So, wow. Pretty neat. I'm loving it. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to say my goodbyes. Goodbye. And I salute you. Hope you're out there enjoying yourself.
There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing